Psychological facts presents the nature of people whose name starts with R. People whose name starts with R are people who are very good from heart. These people are very talkative and extremely reserved. If a person whose name starts with S can meet the R people, then their life will be safe and change. These people are very helping by nature. These people are very attractive and these people can attract anyone by their way of talking. These people are very creative. The R letter is equals to number 9. These people ruled by Mars. These people also have some quality of Mars. These people are very angry at some time. These people are very knowledgeable and the personality is so very powerful. These people like luxury life. They like big cars and big houses. They do not listen to others. They do whatever in their mind. People easily jealous with them because they have money and name and respect in society. These people do not interfere in others' life. These people are very loyal in friendship. They know how to maintain a friendship. These people have a clear perspective of life and they cannot influenced by others. They are always on top of their profession. These people do like society and culture. Sometimes these people behave very harsh and rude. These people are sometimes very selfish. They are diplomatic by nature and they know how to tell a person to complete that work. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. This is Saki signing off. See you next video. All glory to Almighty God.